As the financial consequences for privacy and data protection violations increase, customers need to make sure that any data protection service provider they hire has the ability to take responsibility for potential harm they could cause. In fact, making sure service providers have the resources to stand behind their commitments is more than just common sense. It is now considered a risk management best practice. Unfortunately, many service providers do not have professional liability coverage of any kind. Even those who do often do not provide any real protection for their clients. To safeguard that customers are properly protected, an increasing number of service providers have become insured by Downstream Data Coverage, the only professional liability insurance developed for service providers by NADE, one of the most trusted names in secure information management. Regardless of the types of records management or data protection services being offered, having downstream data coverage means that the service provider has put the interest of their client first. Downstream data coverage is also the only professional liability coverage that relies on the integrity of the NADE AAA certification program to validate the service provider's security and regulatory requirements with both announced and surprise audits by accredited third-party professionals. So not only are downstream data coverage policyholders better protecting their customers by having appropriate insurance coverage, they are also the least likely to ever need it. The client wins both ways. And Downstream Data Coverage is fully backed by Lloyd's of London, one of the oldest, most reliable, and trustworthy insurance networks in the world, developed specifically to protect those clients of data-related service providers, supported by the integrity of the NADE certification program, and backed by Lloyd's of London. Downstream Data Coverage policyholders truly do have the confidence and resources to stand behind their data protection commitments.